Students, you have learnt that how to convert temperature in degree Celsius into Kelvin and how a temperature which is measured in Kelvin can be converted into degree Celsius. Suppose your room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and you are asked to convert this 25 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. What will you do, students? So temperature in Kelvin equals to temperature in degree Celsius plus 273.16, or approximately if I say degree Celsius plus 273, somewhere you will find that instead of 273 it is written 273.15. That is also accepted. So this is how we convert temperature in degree Celsius into Kelvin. Suppose if temperature in Kelvin is given and you are asked to convert it into degree Celsius, then what will you do? Then temperature in Kelvin minus 273.15 equals to temperature in degree Celsius. Hope you understand this much. Now we are discussing scales of measuring temperature. There are three scales in which temperature can be measured. These are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. Thermometers with Celsius scales are calibrated from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Here the middle one, which is shown with the red color, is shown Celsius thermometer. Thermometers with Celsius scales are calibrated from 0 degree to 100 degrees. Now coming to thermometers with Fahrenheit scale, which is given in green color. So thermometers with Fahrenheit scale are calibrated from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin scale of temperature is SI scale and is very common these days. Temperature on this scale is shown by the sign capital K. Students, now you see how to convert the temperature measured in degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Degree Fahrenheit equals to 9/5 degree Celsius plus 32, isn't it? So Kelvin equals to degree Celsius plus 273.16. You have learned this, and degree Fahrenheit equals to 9/5 degree Celsius plus 32. So the freezing point as well as boiling point of water on the three scales are shown here, students, in this example which is given over here. Boiling point of water in Kelvin is 373 Kelvin, and in degree Celsius 100 degree Celsius, and in Fahrenheit 212 degree Fahrenheit. Freezing point of water is given as 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 0 degree Celsius, which is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Students, now one problem is discussed over here. The room temperature on Celsius scale is 25 degrees Celsius. Convert it into other two scales of measurement, that is in Kelvin and in Fahrenheit. So temperature on Kelvin scale equals to 25 plus 273 becomes 298 Kelvin. Temperature on Fahrenheit scale equals to 9/5 into 25 plus 32 becomes equal to 77 degrees Celsius. This is how, students, the body temperature of a normal and healthy person is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. What is the temperature on the Celsius scale? You can calculate, isn't it? It is calculated over here. Learn, practice. 36.89 degrees Celsius.